sports bike. If you Google the definition, then you'll get to know something like this. It's a motorcycle optimized for speed, acceleration, braking, and cornering on the paved roads, typically at the expense of comfort and fuel efficiency. But for me, it is something different. A motorcycle is something which makes me feel glide. The raving sound from the engine, it makes my ear rise, no matter where am I or what I'm doing. The moment I swing my legs over it, it fills myself with an immense adrenaline rush. And this syndrome started when I was in school, probably in 8th or 9th standard. Now I want to tell you guys something that I think law of attraction really works. Because just after this dream, after a few years, I got the chance to buy the Yamaha R15 version 2.0. The reason why I said that law of attraction really works, because I was not the one who was looking for this motorcycle, but this motorcycle automatically came to me with this great deal. It was some sort of holiday and I went to my cousin's home, and then I saw this motorcycle lying in his garage from I think pretty long time. And after inquiring, I came to know that this motorcycle belongs to his friend who has already left India a year ago, and there is no one to take care of this motorcycle. So apparently his friend was looking for a buyer of this motorcycle, and I was there to take care of it. Now the interesting thing is, it was not just the same motorcycle, but it was in the same color which I had dreamed of. Like, I was thinking that if in the future I'll buy Yamaha R15, I'll buy it in the same color, the same red, white and black color. And it was standing there in front of me, the same motorcycle, the same color, same graphics, which I was dreaming about a pretty long time. So yeah, it works. It was beautiful Sunday morning, and me with my other two friends went to Baroda on their motorcycle to take the delivery of this R15. Now, I was not into moto vlogging or making videos at that time, but I still have some clips and photographs from that trip. The riding ergonomics on this motorcycle is really sporty, so you will have to lean forward and all the weight will be on your palm and on your back. So for this first time, I rode more than 100 kilometers on my way back to Gandhinagar from Baroda, and at the end of this trip I was really feeling the pain on my palm and my back. But ride by ride I got used to this riding posture, and it became really fun to ride this sport motorcycle for long distance. And it was the first trip which ignited the spark of doing road trips on motorcycle. After that, we have done many short rides and a few long trips on this motorcycle, that too with pillion. And the most beautiful thing about this motorcycle is its engine. Even being a 150cc motorcycle, it's a very rev friendly engine. The engine redlines at about 10,000 rpm, and you can take this motorcycle up to 130 kilometers per hour if you find a good long and empty stretch highway. And even after this much good performance, it delivers really nice fuel economy, and I have never faced any breakdown on it. Till after owning it for entire 3 years and clocking more than 10,000 kilometers on it, there's a need felt for upgradation, with whole world upgrading to the faster motorcycles. Performance on this motorcycle was not enough with riding a pillion for long distance. The suspension on this motorcycle was made for smooth and curvy tarmac to do aggressive cornering, but not for doing tours on Indian highways which have unpredictable potholes and patches. So after summing up everything and moving ahead in my motorcycle journey, I decided to sell my R15 version 2.0. If I had the facility and practicality to maintain more than one motorcycles, I would have never sold this R15. And if in future, when I'll get the chance to collect all the motorcycles, this will have a special place in my collection. By the time you guys are watching this video, I have already sold the R15 and the motorcycle has reached to its new owner. As I know that new owner, he's a young kid from college, so I'm sure that he's gonna make pretty good memories with this motorcycle. And that's it. This motorcycle has given very good time and good memories, and a few of them I would like to share. Enjoy.